Sleep is essential for our physical and mental well-being. It allows our bodies to repair and rejuvenate, and our minds to consolidate memories. A lack of quality sleep can lead to health problems, including decreased cognitive function and weakened immunity. What we eat plays a significant role in the quality of our sleep. Nutritional deficiencies can disrupt sleep patterns, while a balanced diet can promote restful sleep. Consuming certain foods can either enhance or interfere with the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. The timing of our meals also plays a crucial role in sleep quality. Eating heavy meals close to bedtime can disrupt sleep, while a light, balanced dinner can promote better rest. By making informed choices about what we eat and when we eat, we can significantly improve our sleep quality. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can provide the nutrients necessary for healthy sleep. This essay will explore the intricate relationship between diet and sleep, providing practical tips for achieving restful nights and energized days. Certain foods are known for their sleep-promoting properties. Foods high in tryptophan, an amino acid that converts to serotonin and then melatonin, are particularly beneficial for sleep. Examples include turkey, chicken, fish, eggs, and dairy products. Complex carbohydrates also play a role in sleep regulation. Good sources of complex carbohydrates include whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa. Fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants and other beneficial nutrients can also contribute to better sleep. Tart cherry juice, for example, is a natural source of melatonin and has been shown to improve sleep quality. Kiwi fruit is another example of a fruit that can promote sleep. Nuts and seeds are also excellent sources of sleep-promoting nutrients, such as magnesium and zinc. Almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds are particularly good choices. These foods can be enjoyed as a healthy snack before bed or incorporated into meals throughout the day. They provide healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients that support overall health and sleep quality. Certain foods and beverages can interfere with sleep. These include foods high in caffeine, such as coffee, tea, and chocolate. Caffeine is a stimulant that can keep you awake and disrupt your sleep cycle. It's best to avoid these foods and beverages in the hours leading up to bedtime. Sugary foods and drinks can also disrupt sleep. They can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to energy crashes and difficulty falling asleep. Processed foods and refined carbohydrates can have similar effects. Large, heavy meals close to bedtime can also interfere with sleep. Alcohol, while initially inducing drowsiness, can disrupt sleep later in the night. It can interfere with REM sleep, which is essential for cognitive function and memory consolidation. Limiting alcohol consumption, especially close to bedtime, can improve sleep quality and overall health. It's best to avoid alcohol altogether or consume it in moderation and well before bedtime. Certain nutrients play a crucial role in regulating sleep. Melatonin, the sleep hormone, is synthesized from the amino acid tryptophan. Consuming foods rich in tryptophan can support melatonin production and improve sleep quality. Tryptophan-rich foods include turkey, chicken, fish, and eggs. Magnesium is another important nutrient for sleep. It helps regulate neurotransmitters that play a role in sleep, including GABA, which promotes relaxation and sleep. Magnesium-rich foods include leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Calcium also plays a role in sleep regulation. It helps the brain use tryptophan to manufacture melatonin. Dairy products are good sources of calcium, as are leafy green vegetables and fortified foods. Vitamin D is another nutrient that can influence sleep. Studies have shown a correlation between vitamin D deficiency and poor sleep quality. Section 5. Maintaining balanced nutrition for healthy sleep cycles. A balanced diet is essential for maintaining healthy sleep cycles. Consuming a variety of nutrient-rich foods ensures that the body has the necessary building blocks for optimal sleep. Regular meal times can also help regulate the body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Eating meals at consistent times each day helps synchronize the circadian rhythm, promoting better sleep. Skipping meals or eating irregularly can disrupt sleep patterns. Avoiding large meals close to bedtime is crucial for quality sleep. Heavy meals can interfere with digestion and make it difficult to fall asleep comfortably. Hydration also plays a role in sleep quality. Dehydration can disrupt sleep and lead to fatigue. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help prevent dehydration and promote better sleep. It's best to avoid caffeinated and sugary drinks close to bedtime, as these can interfere with sleep. Section 6. Diet and sleep disorders. A complex relationship. Diet can play a significant role in the development and management of sleep disorders. Certain nutritional deficiencies can exacerbate sleep problems, while a balanced diet can improve sleep quality. For example, a lack of magnesium can contribute to insomnia, while adequate magnesium intake can promote relaxation and sleep. Conditions like obstructive sleep apnea, or OSA, can be influenced by diet. Obesity is a major risk factor for OSA, and maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise can help manage the condition. Restless leg syndrome, or RLS, can also be linked to nutritional deficiencies, particularly iron deficiency. Ensuring adequate iron intake through diet or supplementation can help alleviate RLS symptoms and improve sleep. Insomnia, a common sleep disorder characterized by difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep, can be influenced by dietary factors. Avoiding caffeine, alcohol, and sugary foods can improve sleep quality and reduce insomnia symptoms. Section 7. Practical tips for dietary changes to improve sleep. Gradually incorporate sleep-promoting foods into your diet. Start by adding a serving of tryptophan-rich foods like turkey or chicken to your dinner. Include magnesium-rich foods like leafy green vegetables or almonds as snacks. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Limit your intake of sleep-disrupting foods and beverages. Reduce your consumption of caffeine, especially in the afternoon and evening. Avoid sugary foods and drinks close to bedtime. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods over processed foods and refined carbohydrates. Establish a regular eating schedule. Eat meals at consistent times each day to regulate your circadian rhythm. Create a relaxing bedtime routine that includes a light, healthy snack. Section 8. The timing of meals and its impact on sleep. The timing of your meals can significantly impact your sleep quality. Eating a large meal close to bedtime can interfere with digestion and make it difficult to fall asleep. Allow at least 2 to 3 hours between your last meal and bedtime. Avoid heavy, greasy foods in the evening. Opt for lighter meals that include lean protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. If you experience nighttime hunger, choose a small, sleep-promoting snack. Avoid sugary snacks or caffeine, as these can interfere with sleep. Establish a regular meal schedule and stick to it as much as possible. Eating meals at consistent times each day helps regulate your circadian rhythm, which promotes better sleep. Section 9. Hydration and sleep. The importance of fluids. Proper hydration is essential for overall health and can also impact sleep quality. Dehydration can disrupt sleep and lead to fatigue. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Avoid caffeinated and sugary drinks close to bedtime. Choose water or herbal tea instead. Caffeine can stay in your system for several hours, making it difficult to fall asleep. Alcohol can also dehydrate you and disrupt sleep patterns. Limit your alcohol consumption, especially close to bedtime. Pay attention to your body's thirst cues and carry a water bottle with you. Section 10. Addressing nutritional deficiencies for better sleep. Certain nutritional deficiencies can contribute to sleep problems. Identifying and addressing these deficiencies can improve sleep quality. Consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to determine if you have any nutritional deficiencies. Iron deficiency can contribute to restless leg syndrome, which can disrupt sleep. Magnesium deficiency can also affect sleep. Magnesium plays a role in regulating neurotransmitters that promote relaxation and sleep. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to poor sleep quality. Ensure you are getting enough vitamin D through sun exposure, diet, or supplementation. Section 11. Creating a personalized sleep-promoting diet plan. Creating a personalized sleep-promoting diet plan requires careful consideration of your individual needs and preferences. Start by keeping a food diary to track your current eating habits and identify any potential sleep-disrupting foods. Incorporate sleep-promoting foods into your meals and snacks. Include tryptophan-rich foods like turkey, chicken, and fish. Choose magnesium-rich foods like leafy green vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Add calcium-rich foods like dairy products and fortified foods. Consider the timing of your meals and snacks. Avoid large meals close to bedtime. Consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional for personalized guidance.